Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up the Canon MAXIFY GX7021 printer on your computer, whether it's a Windows, Macintosh, or Linux-based device like a Chromebook. In today's tutorial, I have you covered, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your web browser. Doesn't really matter which one, but into Google, you want to search for Canon MAXIFY GX7021 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results should come back with Canon support for MegaTank MAXIFY GX7021. Should be from a Canon domain here, so don't select some other third-party site. Get it directly from Canon. And then on this page, you'll have additional information like setup and troubleshooting, product information, accessories, and so forth. But what we're interested in, if you scroll down underneath downloads, is the software and devices section. Click on side of there to expand that drop-down, and then select the correct operating system and version number if it doesn't automatically populate. Going down a little bit further here, you should see there's a driver setup package right here, top of the list. Select the download option to begin that, and then once it's downloaded, we're going to go ahead and open up that file. Should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes. We're going to close out of the web browser at this time. We don't need it anymore. And select Start Setup, and then select Next. And it's going to begin checking for updates, so just give this a moment. And you want to agree to the license terms and select Next, and then we're going to agree. And then select your connection method of choice here, whether it's USB, wired LAN or Ethernet cable, or Wi-Fi connection. Then you would select Next, make sure the printer's powered on. If you're using a Wi-Fi based connection, you may need to go on the printer settings itself on the printer and then go through the menus and configure it to your Wi-Fi network on your router, and then configure it to your Wi-Fi network. And that would be how you would probably need to do it for your Wi-Fi. But pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.